In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute all participants in a Zoom meeting. Whether you're running a large webinar or a small team meeting, having control over the audio can help maintain a smooth flow and minimize distractions, making the session more productive for everyone involved. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Zoom's official website. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Sign In page. For a quicker login, you can choose to sign in using your Google account. Click on the Google option. Once you do this, a prompt will ask you to select the Google account you wish to use. If you're already logged into multiple accounts, ensure that you're selecting the correct one associated with your Zoom account. Click on your chosen Google account and you should be redirected back to the Zoom home screen. Once you're signed in, it's time to either create or join a meeting. This is an essential step, as you can only mute participants within an active meeting. So click on the Create Meeting button if you're starting one from scratch, or select Join if you're connecting to an existing meeting. With your meeting underway, direct your attention to the bottom of the Zoom interface, where you'll find several options including the Participants button. Click on Participants to view a list of everyone currently in your meeting. This panel is crucial for managing the audio settings effectively. In the Participants panel, you'll notice the Mute All button at the bottom. By clicking this button, you can instantly mute everyone in the meeting, bringing order to the call. This feature is incredibly beneficial when background noise becomes an issue or when you need to ensure all attention is focused on the main speaker. After you click on Mute All, a confirmation window will pop up. Here you have the choice to allow participants to unmute themselves during the meeting. If you uncheck this option, all participants will remain muted unless you unmute them, giving you complete control over the meeting's audio environment. Finally, click Continue to apply your settings. And with that, you've successfully muted all participants in your Zoom meeting. This simple control can make a huge difference in how smoothly your virtual meetings run. Thank you for joining me today, and may all your Zoom meetings be productive and interruption-free.